What's up, everyone? Hope you had a good weekend. Saw some Bed Bath & Beyond news, which frankly, to me and everyone in my Discord, comes as literally zero surprise that they are, filing for Chapter 11 protection now officially. What is surprising is the Twitter and the internet. And people are trying to turn it into the next AMC, guys. You would think retail learned its lesson once and for all. I guess they haven't. Look, like every company is not worth saving, but especially companies where there's no, the stores are closing. The stores are closed. They sold their product off all over the last quarter. There's nothing there to save. I don't know what you're saving. And what would you like a BBB, like a Bed Bath Beyond fanboy or something? Like it's a woman's store to go in there and shop for a bunch of household stuff while the men are shopping elsewhere. And now all of a sudden you're supposed to be like all gung ho Bed Bath & Beyond, like it's Bass Pro Shops or Cabela's or something. What are we saving here? We're saving pillows and bed sheets? Like heaven forbid you have to buy it at Walmart or IKEA or literally anywhere because it's a pillow or bed sheets. Like I don't know, guys. Good luck if you throw money at that. Good luck, for real. You'd be better off taking 15, well, okay, let me put it this way. You'd be better off taking $20 and joining my Discord and never worrying about Bed Bath & Beyond again. Best Buy is on the brink, okay? They're trying to pivot to electronic only, like digital sales. It might be too little too late for them, though, if I'm being quite honest with you. I mean, they're way late to the game, way late to the party. These retail traps, someone was trying to compare it to Revlon. Revlon spiked and then it got dropped. But Revlon was mostly product and a brand name. It wasn't retail locations and establishments like that. It wasn't even the same situation at all. And even it fell because you had better makeup companies out there like Rihanna's makeup line and Billie Eilish's and God knows what else. And at the end of the day, it's makeup. Who cares? Why are you saving that anyways? Stop saving the bad companies. Put your money in real companies. How about that? Try that for a change. Someone's like, oh, the power of retail. If we could get everybody to put $2,500. Do most people even have $2,500 to put into random companies anymore after getting just obliterated on almost every play for the last year? Because the market's on to you guys. The market is on to novice investors who aren't investors, who are gamblers, who just think that if they FOMO and pile money into one play, it will go up and they'll win and get out. Except every single one of you has the same idea and everyone wants to sell on top of everybody else. It's just a race for the exits, and 9 out of 10 retail get caught and 1 out of 10 makes money. It's really that simple. So I hope some of you really do just avoid it. There is 5,000 tickers, guys. You don't need to worry about one company. The risk is not worth any of the reward. It's just not there, I'm afraid. And the float is, we're not dealing with a 100 million share float like when AMC first squoze. With Bed Bath & Beyond, you're dealing with hundreds of millions of shares. And over 1.2 billion in debt. Like, when you say 1.2, I don't think people grasp it. How about $1,200 million or 1,200,000 million dollars debt? Like, I think when they start shrinking numbers, it's trying to minimize how terrible and tragic a play is. So that aside, I just wanted to address that. I don't think I have to worry about anybody in the Discord, which is awesome. We got over 400 people who are going to be safe from that dumpster fire. We got a couple of potential buyout opportunities coming up. That's in the Discord. And I spent about 5 hours today going through all the earnings for next week. I had Monday and Tuesday up on Friday, so everybody had a chance to make some decisions there and had the list at the ready for decision making. But I mean, we have over 3,200 companies reporting in the next 2 weeks, and that's really the meat and potatoes of the stock market. Okay, is earnings. That's what it's all circles around. Is a company profitable or not? What is the future outlook? And that's what makes the whole stock market go around. Not FOMOing into random tickers like earnings season, earnings plays, earnings quarter, and then of course options chains, right? Which is just an added layer to everything. So I've got that list up. I've got it all the way up till next Monday. So you're good to go. I'll be working through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of May. I'll be working through that this week. Possibly I'll do Tuesday when I get home tonight. I'm going to see a movie. Which usually just stream it at home for free. Not gonna lie. But I was offered to go by someone, so they're gonna pay, so may as well go, right? But otherwise, I could care less myself. It's just not a priority financially or just in general. But it should be good. It's always good to see action movies in the theater. That'll never change. But so gonna go see that, and then maybe come home and get that up for the rest of you guys. Gonna be a crazy week, guys. A lot of mega caps reporting, a lot of big oil, and a lot of big pharma. Banks still reporting. First Republic on Monday, which somehow has become some kind of meme play. With that, its expected move is potentially as big as 20%. So 20% up or 20% down, right? If it shows that that their problems aren't as bad as they've been exaggerated to be, then it'll likely go up, sideways or up, or it's going to be as bad as they say, and it'll likely fall. Already had people in on the Discord, in on that play on Friday for the free money call out. Okay, there was a select targets that I believe to be essentially free money on the options chain, and there's kind of your clue as to what they are. I just told you, and if you can't put two and two together, you definitely need to come and join the Discord. Technically, you're a little bit behind because we're getting paid free premium all weekend. It's a lovely little thing we like to be playing these days, and everybody seems to be loving that. This is like, it's been very lucrative for people in the Discord the last 3 weeks. Some of these weekend holds, but with the strategy that we're implementing for borderline free money over weekends. As opposed to kind of what we used to do, right? So hopefully y'all have been getting in on that. Small account, medium account, larger account, join up, right? Premium, access to DMs, priority answers to your questions. Time is money. If you don't have time to be looking at everything left, right, and center and doing all the research, well, that's what I'm there for. That's what you're paying for. If even if you don't have, on top of that, if you have limited time and you want a second opinion that you could trust, well, there you go. Me as well, right? So I lowered the cost on it as well, from 100 down to 69. So I used to have 14 people on there. Happy to pay that 100, okay? But I still wanted to lower it, make it a little more accessible to everybody, and it includes weekend classes, which run usually twice a month. So that alone would pay for it as well too, right? And classes are like Q&A, charting, going over strategy, Fibonacci's, and all sorts of things, right? Everything in there that probably should have taken the time to learn. Man, these speed bumps are gargantuan. A little excessive. Taking the time to learn over the last year, but if you're still playing catch up, well, it's perfect for you, right? It's one-on-one, not like some of the other courses out there, which are just pre-recorded YouTube videos that they charge you $400 or $500 for. So pop into that and Hope you guys have a good trading week. Be going live a little bit again this week, maybe just a couple times though, because it is going to be ultra busy. So it might actually even be easier to go live for me, but we'll see. Definitely my priority is the Discord members, so I got to make sure that they're looked after first and foremost, and then if we have time we go live. All right, free.